Connect Plus Primary 3 Students Book Term 1 Unit 4 Part 2 Page 57 Exercise 4 Look and read. There are different habitats around the world because of the different climate and conditions. Some parts of the world are cold and some are hot. Equator. This is an imaginary line all around the middle of the earth. North Pole. This is the point at the farthest north of the world. South Pole. This is the point at the farthest south of the world. The equator gets the most sunshine. It is hot here for all 12 months of the year. The North and South Pole don't get a lot of sunshine. It is very cold in these parts of the world. We can see the different habitats on a map of the world. Now exercise 5, ask and answer. 1. Why is the equator the hottest part of the world? Because it is the nearest area to the sun. 2. Why are the North and South Poles colder? 2. Because it is the farthest area from the sun. 3. What habitats can you find near the equator? Near the equator, there are grasslands, rainforests, and deserts. 4. What habitats do you know in Egypt? In Egypt, there are wetlands and deserts. Page 58, Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say. Swamp, swamp. Tent, tent. Grassland, grassland. Exercise 2. Listen, underline the m, nut, and nud endings. Hunt, hunt. Wetland, wetland. Camp, camp. Exercise 3. Listen and say. Can I camp in a wetland? No, don't put a tent in a swamp. Can I camp in a grassland? No, cheetahs hunt in the grassland. Page 59, Exercise 1, listen and read. Inside the rainforest. A rainforest is an amazing habitat. There are many different plants, trees, animals, insects, and birds. It rains a lot, and it is very hot. This makes it humid. All parts of the rainforest support each other. This is called an ecosystem. There are 4 layers in a rainforest. 1. The top layer is called the emergent layer. This is the top of the trees. Not many animals live here. There are birds such as geckos, spiders, butterflies, and some small monkeys. 2. The canopy layer is under the top layer. There is shelter and lots of food such as fruit and nuts here. Lots of animals live in the canopy layer, including sloths, monkeys, and birds. 3. The understory layer is under the canopy. There isn't a lot of sun here, so it's dark and humid. Rain falls down through the layers above, but there isn't a lot of sun. There are lots of insects, lizards, and frogs. Other larger animals hunt for food in the understory layer. 4. On the forest floor, it is very dark. Very little sunlight can get through the trees. Snakes crawl on the rainforest floor. Because it is dark, Plants here need to have big leaves so they can get sunlight. Exercise 2. Look and write. Use the words in the yellow box. What is the top layer called? Emergent, canopy, understory layer, forest floor. Exercise 3. Read again and check correct or cross wrong. 1. Sloths live in the emergent layer. Wrong. 2. There aren't a lot of animals in the emergent layer. Correct. 3. There are lots of things to eat in the canopy layer. Correct. 4. Not many animals live in the canopy layer. Wrong. 5. It is dark in the understory layer. Correct. 6. Plants on the forest floor have small leaves. Wrong. So please think about this stuff. What can you hear in the rainforest? What can you see? What can you touch? And what can you smell? Page 60, Exercise 1, Look and read. Changes to habitats. Animals and plants live together in balance in different habitats. But what happens when things change? There are lots of reasons for change. Human activity, natural disasters. Human activity, deforestation, pollution, building. Deforestation. People cut down forests and rainforests to use the trees or to make land for farming. This destroys the habitats of hundreds of animals, birds, and plants. Pollution. Pollution can be on land, in water, or in the air. People leave garbage on the land and in rivers and seas. We put chemicals in rivers and seas and damage the air with machines and fires. Building. New buildings for homes, offices, and factories can destroy habitats. They can be good for people, but bad for the animals that lose their homes. Natural disasters. Volcanoes, drought, flood, fire. Volcanoes. When a volcano erupts, ash falls to the ground and covers it. In the short term, plants can't grow. The ash pollutes the air. Drought. When there isn't enough rain, the ground is dry and plants can't grow. Animals can't find water to drink. Farmers can't grow food. Flood. In a flood, there is an overflow of water to land that is usually dry. This can happen in heavy rain or a storm. Floods can destroy natural habitats as well as people's homes. Fire. Fires can happen in forests or grassland. Fire can destroy many habitats very quickly. The smoke pollutes the air. Exercise 2. Read again and write. 1. Making land, water, or air dirty. This is called pollution. 2. Destroying habitats to make homes or offices. Building. 3. Ash from these can cover the ground. Volcanoes. 4. Cutting down trees. Deforestation. 5. When water covers the land. Flood. 6. This can destroy a habitat quickly. Fire. 7. When there isn't enough water. Drought. Exercise 3. Ask and answer. Do you know of any human activity that damages the environment? Yes, we face pollution every day. Do you know of any natural disasters near you? Thank God we don't have any of these natural disasters in Egypt. Page 61, exercise 4. Read these positive effects of change. Match them to 3 of the natural disasters. Water can bring new nutrients to the land. This helps plants to grow in the future. Flood. There are minerals in the ash which are good for the soil. The soil will be healthier after some time. Volcanoes. Dead trees and leaves on the forest floor can be burned. This puts important nutrients into the soil. Fire. Exercise 5. Read and answer. We have 2 opinions of 2 different children, Selim and Adam. Listen to their opinions and answer these questions. Selim: I don't think we should build 20 new homes next to the lake on the edge of our town. The lake is a habitat for lots of wildlife. There are birds, fish, insects, snakes, and frogs. There are lots of different trees and plants. It is also a beautiful place for people to visit and relax. The new homes will destroy this habitat. The machines will pollute the air and the water. Adam: I think it is a good idea to build the new homes. People need homes to live in. The city is crowded with too many houses. It will make jobs for lots of people. We can plant new trees after they build the homes. The animals will find somewhere else to live. It will be a beautiful place for people to live in. 1. Who is thinking about animals? Selim or Adam? Selim. 2. Who is thinking about people? Adam. 3. Do you agree with one or both of them? Who do you agree with? Selim or Adam? Or both? Exercise 6. Read. What do you think? Write your answer. We plan to cut down part of the forest to make a new farm. We need more land to keep animals, so we can make more food. What do you think you should write here? You should cut trees, or you should try to save new places for animals, or you will leave the trees as it is. So write your own opinion. What do you think? Thank you for listening and watching this video. ما تنسوش تعملوا سبسكرايب للقناة ولايك and شير عشان غيرك يستفيد. واللي عايز معلومات زيادة في معلومات اكسترا على الفيسبوك والانستجرام هتلاقوا اللينكس تحت الفيديو. وكمان ما تنسوش تتابعوا الاكتيفيتي بوك والستودنتس بوك فيديوز على نفس اليونت. See you soon. Bye.